Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope that all of you will be fine and safe in your home. I am your English teacher and today we will be conducting English class from the book Oxford Modern English written by Nicholas Horsburgh and Claire Horsburgh. Our topic from the book will be A Night in June written by William Wordsworth. We will be discussing about the poet, words to know, poem recitation, translation, main idea, and of course the questionnaire. So children, open up your book and take out page number 9. First of all, we will talk about the poet. This poem is written by William Wordsworth. He started writing poems when he was very young. He had received many achievement awards in his last 7 years of his life. Most of his poems describing the natural beauty, like greeneries, sceneries, rivers, mountains, forests. It means natural products were always been his main target. Our second part of the topic is words to know. We have 6 words and one by one I will let you know about its meaning. Cuckoo. Cuckoo is a small bird. Gushes means running water. Piping means singing of birds. Sovereign means superior, like a ruler, like a king. Thrush means a little bird like a sparrow. Yet means still, and in Urdu it's like abhi tak. The next part of the topic is poem recitation. I will recite the poem and I want all of you to listen properly and learn the poem with this tune.
The sun has long been set and the stars are out by twos and threes. The little birds are piping yet among the bushes and trees. There's a cuckoo and 1 or 2 thrushes, and a far-off wind that rushes, and a sound of water that gushes, and the cuckoo's silver and cry fill all the whole of sky.
Translation. The sun has long been set. सूरज तवील अरसे से गुरूब हो चुका है. The stars are out. तारे निकल चुके हैं. आसमान पे तारे मतलब नज़र आ रहे हैं. By twos and threes, लेकिन 2 या 3 मतलब थोड़े थोड़े तारे नज़र आ रहे हैं, ज़्यादा तारे नहीं हैं. The little birds are piping yet. जो छोटे परिंदे अभी तक चहचहाते हैं. Among the bushes and trees, झाड़ियों और दरख्तों के दरमियान. तो झाड़ियों और दरख्तों के दरमियान छोटे छोटे परिंदे जो हैं वो गा रहे हैं, चहचहा रहे हैं, आवाज़ें उनकी सुनाई दे रही हैं हमें. There's a cuckoo. cuckoo कहते हैं कोयल को. And 1 or 2 thrushes. thrushes भी आपके पास छोटे छोटे परिंदे होते हैं चिड़िया की तरह. There's a cuckoo and 1 or 2 thrushes. कोई एक कोयल है और 1 या 2 आपके पास परिंदे हैं छोटे छोटे. There is a far off wind that rushes. दूर दराज से हवा चलती है. And a sound of water that gushes. पानी बहने की आवाज़ें आती हैं. And the cuckoo's very cry. कोयल की एक जोरावर आवाज़ ने, एक बहुत ताकतवर आवाज़ ने fills all the hollow sky. उसने तमाम आसमान की खला को भर दिया है. कोयल की जो एक ताकतवर चीख है, बहुत जोरावर चीख है, उसने खाली आसमान को भर दिया है. आसमान की जो ये खला है جس میں کچھ بھی نہیں ہے اس نے اس تمام تر آسمان کو بھر دیا ہے اپنی آواز سے. So let's turn toward the main idea. Our next part of the topic will be the main idea or the theme of the poem. In this poem, poet is describing beauty of the night. Piping birds, wind music, water gushes, twinkling stars. His main idea is to let us know about the perfect view of summer's night. Let's come toward the last part of the topic, which is the tasks for the notebook or the questionnaire. I am providing you 6 questions. You have to write all the 6 questions in your notebook, okay? Question 1. How are the stars appearing in the sky? Answer. Very minimum amount of stars are appearing in the sky. 2. Have the birds stopped their singing? No, the birds have not stopped their singing. Question 3. Where are the birds? The birds are in bushes and trees. Let's come toward the 4th question. What sound can be heard? All the sounds which can be heard are given below. Birds piping, rushing wind, gushing water, and cuckoo's cry. What fills the sky? Cuckoo's so very cry fills all the sky. Who wrote the poem A Night in June? Find out the answer and write it by your own. Last question, the 6th one, you have to find the answer of it in your book and write it down along with the 5 questions in your notebook. So hopefully you must have learned from this video and must attend all the tasks in your notebook. Thank you. Have a great day.